Hope you're doing well. So, if you face KVM support available false this kind of issue while set up GNS3 server and GNS3 VM and set up the connection between them, and you face this kind of issue false, then this video help you a lot because in this video I will tell you about configuration misconfigurations. So due to KVM support available become false. So here we will see about some possible solution so that we can turn into this true. So let's talk about some possible solution that we can do. So first of all, you have to off everything like close machine, close GNS3 VM, whatever you named it, off it, and VirtualBox also off it. So first is off everything, and second is open the CMD with your administrator permission. And I will also paste these command in the description and you can directly copy from it. So first of all, you have to paste this command. This will list your all VMs in the VirtualBox. Here you can see that my VMs. So here you can see that GNS3 VM. So this is available. The name is very important. You have to copy it, and then you have to paste another command, this command, and you have to replace your VM name with this. Here you can see that I replaced my name with it. So these are the command that you can try, and there is a possibility that your false can be turned into the true. If the still KVM support available is false, then you have to try this command. Here you can see that my KVM support available become true because I already running these three commands. That's it. Thank you for watching and subscribe my channel.